Today I felt like making a drawing for the world, the soul of the world, for November, December 2021. And while I was drawing, the words appeared, "Lit your own light before darkness comes." And during the drawing, little by little, I could see little spots lighting up, switching on their lights, whereto they could have a joint flight towards better skies, let me say it like that. And it was also very visible that there were sharp corners, and the words that appeared were, "Corners might get sharp, yet waxing it up with your glow will soften the cut, the lines, the curves." And it's also obvious that there are still, or that there is an old guard and a young, new, fresh group that wants to continue in the world with new visions, new possibilities. Yet the old guard is still attached to visions that are linked to thought processes that are not useful anymore for this world. Question that arose during the drawing was how to join, or how to stay joined in a group whereto we could continue with the wisdom of the old guard, yet with the vision of the group that only looked forward. So, how to bridge the old with the new? And while I was asking the question, following words were written: "Bridging the old with the new in a soft green sense for nature. Nature will brighten our days with love from the crown for the young bud, sprouting from mother's wisdom, so that the earth may go always with us." And of course, after the COP26, this might be a very important message, and it might be possible that there will be countries joining, yet the communication between these countries or persons can be also possible, will have to go way much more subtle than it is going at the moment, whereto a joint purpose will be manifested. Also very much visible was that one needed to know when to stop on time.